Covering approximately 30 acres, Albert Park boasts meticulously manicured lawns, meandering pathways, and tall trees that provide shade and serenity. Its layout reflects the classic Victorian garden design, offering visitors a tranquil escape from the urban hustle and bustle. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat, a backdrop for artistic endeavors, or a place to connect with nature, Albert Park scenic landscapes offer it all. Tall, mature trees line the pathways and provide shade on sunny days. These trees not only enhance the park's aesthetics, but also contribute to the overall sense of tranquility. The rustling leaves and the dappled sunlight create a calming atmosphere, making it an ideal spot for contemplation and relaxation. Albert Park in Middlesbrough is renowned for its scenic landscapes, which play a central role in creating a tranquil and visually stunning environment for visitors. These landscapes are not just green spaces, but are carefully designed to offer a multi-sensory experience and a sense of peace amidst urban life. The scenic landscapes of Albert Park are more than just a visual treat. They are an integral part of the park's identity. They invite visitors to step into a timeless haven where the beauty of nature, careful design, and historical significance come together to create a truly enchanting urban oasis. The park's well-maintained lawns are expansive, providing a vast canvas of lush greenery. These open areas invite visitors to relax, have picnics, play sports, or simply bask in the beauty of nature. The manicured lawns serve as a reminder of the Victorian-era concept of a pleasure ground where people could unwind and enjoy leisure activities. Albert Park features carefully curated floral displays that change with the seasons. In spring, colorful blooms blanket the park, while in summer, vibrant bedding plants create a riot of colors. The meticulous arrangement of flowers showcases horticultural artistry and provides a delightful visual feast. The park's pathways are designed to wind gracefully through the greenery, allowing visitors to explore the various sections of the park at their own pace. These pathways are often framed by flowers and shrubs, adding to the visual appeal and creating a sense of discovery. The boating lake is the centerpiece of Albert Park's scenic landscapes. Spanning a substantial area, it's bordered by lush greenery, providing a serene and picturesque setting. The surrounding trees and flowers frame the lake, creating a natural frame for stunning views and photographic opportunities. The lake offers a variety of recreational activities, making it a popular destination for visitors of all ages. Rowboats and pedalos are available for rent, allowing families and friends to enjoy a leisurely paddle across the tranquil waters. This makes for a delightful experience, especially during the warmer months. The boating lake at Albert Park is more than just a scenic attraction. It's a symbol of relaxation, recreation, and natural beauty within an urban setting. Whether you're paddling on the water, enjoying a lakeside picnic, or simply taking in the views, the boating lake offers a timeless experience that makes Albert Park a cherished destination for both locals and visitors. Families with young children can enjoy the dedicated play area equipped with swings, slides, and other recreational features. It's a safe and engaging space for kids to have fun. A quaint cafe within the park offers refreshments and light meals, making it a convenient stop for visitors. The visitor center often provides information about the park's history, upcoming events, and facilities. Albert Park is not just a haven of serene landscapes and Victorian charm. It is also home to a variety of wildlife, contributing to its ecological significance within the urban environment. The park's boating lake and surrounding greenery attract numerous bird species. From graceful swans gliding across the water to vibrant ducks dabbling along the shore, birdwatchers will find plenty to observe and appreciate. Albert Park is home to gray squirrels that can be seen darting among the trees and foraging for food. Local authorities, heritage organizations, and dedicated volunteers work tirelessly to preserve and maintain the historical and natural elements of Albert Park. Restoration efforts ensure that this iconic park remains a testament to the town's rich history,